Each drop of water you waste today, you will need it tomorrow.
The reason why this issue works over time is very simple. Each one of us should have access to good quality water in order to ensure its healthy development. What we are looking for in this project is to create conscience around us about the world's actual situation.
First, we have to understand what is water pollution. Water pollution happens when toxic substances enter water bodies, and when getting dissolved in them, they degrade water quality. This issue has been growing steadily from the last 20 years, due to the constant population growth and industrial development, which applies a great pressure over water demand. So, which are Japan's problems with water pollution?
Japan has had problems with pollution since a long time ago. Japan's problems with water pollution can be tracked since before the Second World War. In the 60s was the mercury contamination in Nagano River. In the 70s, overproduction and industries were the main enemy. In the 90s, 23 different substances were detected in the main water bodies. The problem was so big that in 1999, environmental quality standards became law. Nowadays, the problem seems to increase given the excessive consumption of people and the overproduction of the industrial market, just like 4 years ago.
And our remediation proposal is the next one.
The reason of our experiment should be unquestionable. Cleaning water has become a solution almost obvious to the modern world. Moringa is a plant species which is rich in numerous nutrients. It is the most nutritious tree on the planet, although it originates from the Asian continent. It grows all over the world and it almost in every condition.
Moringa seeds contain a protein that binds to the impurities of the water, separating them from it when it precipitates as solids. In addition, to eliminate solid impurities, this method also eliminates between 90 and 99% of the bacteria. Well, in this project, we should be seeing two possible outcomes. The positive part, the discovery of the various utilities of the moringa seeds can be exploited in order to use them as a cheap resource for helping the ecosystem. Given that it is a natural resource from African countries, like Zimbabwe for example, they would have the biggest benefit. The use of these seeds represent an increment in the amounts of drinking water. Because of this, many of the actual struggles between social classes may disappear as the inequality.
On the other hand, we may consider some negative outcomes. The land would be exploited in order to mass produce these seeds. This will have a great impact on the environment as it would lead to a massive deforestation in consequence to generate fertile lands to raise this plant. Moreover, it will also occupy the crops space for other agricultural products with the same importance.
Finally, we can say that even though these seeds can help us to clean polluted water, it is obvious that they are not going to remove all the water pollution in the planet. Because of this, it is very important that each one of us should be informed about this topic, since an informed opinion is the most powerful weapon to start making a change.